the whole world is safe when
we are all vaccinated. Absolutely.
So thank you for joining us. My name is Tom Boyer.
My name is Purity Museo at KBC Channel 1 News at Purity_Museo at Tom Boyer 24. The hashtag to use tonight is Prime Edition. Byron Abuli is a sign language interpreter tonight.
Straight to our top story, Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe is tonight warning Kenyans to take the COVID-19 precautions seriously, saying celebrations this festive season should not lead to an overwhelming of the hospitals.
Kagwe sounded the warning as the country recorded an unprecedented increase in COVID-19 positivity rate, which now stands at 37.6% from 35% on Sunday. The CS maintained that unvaccinated Kenyans should not be admitted into any public space.
This is the story that opens our coverage tonight.
Minister of Health is cautioning Kenyans to remain vigilant as the coronavirus infections spike over the festive season. The curve continues to rise as the coronavirus positivity rate Monday jumped to 37.6% from 35% on Sunday. In the last 24 hours, 1,596 new coronavirus cases were confirmed, and the country's confirmed cases since the first case in March 2020 is 284,150. In a statement, Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe assured that vaccination centers, both public and private, will remain open until late during the festivities to allow more people access these services. Statistics from the Minister of Health indicate that only 14.5% of Kenyan adults are fully vaccinated. Globally, China has stuck to a zero COVID-19 strategy of tight border restrictions, lengthy quarantines, and targeted lockdowns as Beijing prepares to welcome thousands of visitors for February's Winter Olympics. The northern city of Xi'an has now banned residents from driving cars around town in an effort to control the country's worst outbreak in 21 months. No vehicles are allowed on the roads unless they are assisting with disease control work. Police and health officials will strictly inspect cars, and those who break the rules could face 10 days detention and a fine of 500 yuan, which is equivalent to $78. In the New York, new COVID-19 vaccine requirements have come into force as infections continue to surge, fueled by the Omicron variant of the Children aged 12 and over are required to show proof of full vaccination to access indoor dining areas and many extracurricular school activities. The city is also introducing a vaccine mandate for private sector workers, the first in the U.S. to take such an action. Jabs are already mandatory for state employees. Italy, Spain, and Greece have made face masks compulsory outdoors again. Catalonia in northern Spain has imposed an overnight curfew, and the Netherlands is in strict lockdown. More than 1,400 flights were scrapped on Monday, with Chinese and U.S. destinations being the worst hit. Hong Kong is banning all South Korea's Korean air flights for 2 weeks after positive cases among some arrivals. In all, more than 8,000 flights have been grounded over the long Christmas weekend that began on Friday.